Works is your wastewater from the kitchen sink, washer and dryer, bathtub runs into the grinder pump. The grinder pump goes into the first chamber of the septic tank and starts to settle out the solids. It goes from here into, there should be just a hole, like just a piece of PVC down there. I kind of felt it. It's probably something more that you'll be able to see when the tank is pumped. And it lets through the clearer liquid into the second compartment of the tank. And this is a baffle. There is an inlet to this down in the water. The liquid, it's keeping more junk and garbage out of your septic drain field. So it goes out of that pipe into the distribution box, which then distributes it to 3 different lines into your mound system out here.